Odisha. What about you?
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm from.
UP. Nice to meet you. What do you do? Are you a student or what?
I, no, no, I'm from. What about you?
Wow. Which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector, banking? Which?
I am working in a banking sector.
Wow. How long have you been working in there?
It's around years and 3 years, 3 years.
3 years. Are you working in your
And
state,
you?
UP? No, I don't do anything.
Okay. Yeah, I'm working in.
Ah, okay. Then you tell
Mhm.
how it's going on your practice or how it's going on your office work.
It's going on good. What you do by the way? I mean,
Mhm.
you're doing study or you're doing anything?
No, I completed my graduation. I don't do anything. I am unemployed.
So you got married or like you're single?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right. Absolutely right.
You got married?
Yeah, you are right.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Hmm.
Then did you?
That's good.
Yeah. Did you finish your lunch?
No, not yet. Have you finished?
Yeah, I finished my lunch. Right now I get time. Then let's see I talk because I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking, then I'm using this platform to talk with you people. Yeah.
That's good. So when you started using this?
I started using this platform around, you can say, 4 5 months. And you?
Okay.
Yeah, and you?
Yeah, it's 4 5 months ago.
Okay. Then do you talk with anyone in English at office? With your colleagues, boss? Do you talk with them?
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, yeah.
Ah, right, right. If you attend any kind of meeting, then you have talk with your boss and authority, right? Oh, what's your
Yes, yes.
qualification? What's your qualification?
I have done my engineering, then I have done my MBA,
Oh my goodness, which branch have you completed in technical field?
electrical engineering.
Wow. Then after that you
Uh,
got that job, right?
yeah.
Wow. Then do you like that profession or do you wanna change that profession in future?
No, it's good enough for now.
Right, because you can travel all state and all corner within India, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Banking job is a better job, and that then you completed 3 years, right? Have you completed?
It's good enough. What you have completed?
I asked you, have you completed 3 years in your work in that department?
Yeah, yeah, it's completed. Yeah.
Okay, then
Mm.
what brings you here in this platform?
Yeah, just to get sometimes I want to talk with somebody
Right, right.
just to get.
Hmm.
Uh,
Then are you working in your state? Then it is near from your home or a different district or different place?
no, no, it's
Ah, right. So far from your home, right?
yeah,
Okay. How far from your home to your workplace?
200 kilometers.
200 kilometers means around so far. Then if you get
Uh,
holiday, then you go your home or what else?
yeah, it's good.
Uh,
Yeah, it's good.
right. Means for a month or 2 days or 3 days, right? Otherwise, bankers are
For
so busy. Bankers are so busy. They never get chance to go home or they
uh,
that kind of they busy. If they enter office around 9:30, then they return back around 9:30 p.m. Right? Morning.
uh,
That is so tough, just right. I can understand.
Mhm.
But you people get a vacation per year, I think so, 10 days, 15 days, right?
Yeah.
Right. Then you join in that bank, then you are also in there, or did you get any transfer within 3 years?
No, I fixed my age.
Okay.
Like, uh,
Because of,
so,
banking sector employee, they get transfer within 3 years, after 3 years, right?
uh,
They always get transfer one place to another place, and no one can. That is their strong role. If you do in
uh,
government job, then you can give your grievance. I have a medical issue, or my parents are so old age, I can I don't go, means so far from my parents, no one can take care of them, you can grievance that kind of, right? But if you work in
uh,
banking, then you have to, if you get transfer, then you have to leave that place and you have to join new
uh,
place, right? That is so, means that is a good thing
yeah,
because,
you're right.
pardon, pardon, would you repeat?
I'm saying that's right.
Oh, okay. I heard in
Mm,
different question, I think so. Okay. Yeah. Then
uh,
hmm, then tell me, means how do you spend your time if you get weekend?
I do play sports and all.
Oh, that's why you have written athletic, right?
Yeah, yeah. But,
Okay, you are health conscious persons, or you want to change your, do you want to change your profession like a means defense sector or police department?
no, no, I don't want to change, but yeah, I love sports. I love enjoying the sports.
Mm-hmm. That's why, right? That is
Uh-huh.
a good for health also. At least we people do it indoor and outdoor activity, right?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Sometimes what happen, we get distraught or mental pressure or something. Then if we involve that kind of meditation, sports, or a different activity, then little bit we refresh our mind, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. How many time you only discuss and do your office work? Little bit require also refreshment, right? Otherwise,
Exactly.
mind always will be blockage.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah. Then how far from your residence to your bank? How far?
It's not too far, like it's near.
Okay. Yeah. Do you stay in rent house in there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How many colleagues work with you in that bank?
Yeah, there are so many of them, but yeah, concern on few of them.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Then what time do
Um,
you get your lunch break time? What time do you get?
I sleep bit late in the night, so I used to
Mm-hmm.
wake up around 9.
Okay.
When you sleep in the night?
Mm-hmm. Then why you go to bed late, late night? What do you do? Do you have extra work or what else?
Yeah, sometimes I take some time as well.
Okay, right now also are you continuing your study, right?
Yeah,
Wow. Then which course are you continuing? Or are you preparing some different exam? Hmm?
uh, course. If you ask for course, I'm preparing for UPSC too.
Oh my goodness. Advance all the best. As soon as possible, you get your destination where you want to reach. And recently
Uh-huh.
published in UPSC result, right? Shakti Dubey is a
Yes, yes, yes.
first topper on that
Yeah, exactly.
UPSC. And around 100, no, 1099 means got succeed student.
Yeah.
Yeah. And sorry, she appeared six times. It was her sixth attempt, right? How much patience she had, right? Six time means six attempt.
Exactly.